In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chart in PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. Whether you're presenting data at work, school, or for any project, PowerPoint's chart feature can help you visualize your information effectively and professionally. Let's dive in and learn how to add that much needed visual appeal to your presentation. First things first, we're going to need to open up Microsoft PowerPoint. This might seem straightforward, but I want to make sure we're all starting from the same place. Locate the PowerPoint icon on your computer, click on it and give it a moment to load. If you're working with a specific presentation already, this is the point where you'll want to open that up. If not, feel free to start with a blank presentation to practice. Next up, it's time to open your file. If you're beginning with a new presentation, you won't need to worry about this step. However, if you're adding a chart to an existing presentation, navigate to the File tab in the upper left corner of the screen. Click it, then select Open. Find the presentation you're working on, select it, and click Open again. This will load your presentation into PowerPoint, ready for the next steps. Once your presentation is open and in front of you, our next move is to insert a chart. To do this, look for the Insert tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. Clicking on the Insert tab will reveal a toolbar filled with various options to add different elements to your slides. Our focus here is the chart option, so let's find it together. Within the Insert toolbar, you should see an option labelled Chart. This button might look a bit intimidating with its bar chart icon, but I promise it's the gateway to visualizing your data beautifully. Give that Chart button a click and you're on your way to adding a dynamic element to your presentation. Clicking on Chart will open a new window showcasing a variety of chart types you can choose from. This is where your data and your presentation's needs come into play. Are you presenting financial results? Maybe a bar chart or a pie chart will do the trick. Or perhaps you're showing trends over time, in which case a line chart might be your best bet. PowerPoint offers a wealth of options, including column charts, bar charts, line charts, pie charts, area charts, and more. Each type of chart is best suited to certain kinds of data and messages, so take a moment to consider which one aligns with your presentation's goals. After you've considered your options and selected the chart type that best fits your data, go ahead and click OK. This action tells PowerPoint that you're ready to move forward with this chart type. Upon clicking OK, PowerPoint will insert a generic version of the selected chart into your current slide. Alongside it, you'll see a spreadsheet window pop up, allowing you to input or modify the data that your chart will display. This is where the magic happens. You can customize the data points to match the information you need to convey to your audience. Here are a few additional tips to make your chart stand out. Once you've entered your data, you can customize the chart's appearance. Play around with chart styles and colors, which can be found under the Chart tools that appear once your chart is selected. Consider your presentation's overall theme and audience when choosing these elements. Also, don't forget to add titles to your chart and its axes if needed. This will help your audience understand your data at just a glance. Remember, the goal is to make your data as accessible and engaging as possible. PowerPoint charts are a powerful tool in achieving this, allowing you to transform rows of data into a compelling visual story. With the steps we've covered today, I'm confident you'll be able to enhance your presentations, making your information not only more visual, but also more memorable. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding charts to your PowerPoint presentations. It might take a bit of practice to get everything looking just the way you want, especially if you're experimenting with different chart types and customizations. However, the effort is well worth the clear, visually appealing data presentations you'll be able to create. Thanks for joining me today, and happy charting.